My name is Vasant Lad and I'm Ayurvedic physician working here in Ayur Prana and Ayurvedic Institute, bringing Ayurveda to the Western world since last 3 decades. And in this journey, we had a great honor to have Sadhguru. Sadhguru is world famous, dynamic, spiritual master. He is highly enlightened being. And as he was traveling on his motorbike, he visited New Mexico and he came to see us here. I was deeply touched by his personality. He had a nice turban, glasses, and he ride a motorbike like a warrior. Definitely he is a warrior in the field of spiritual awakening. He created balance between material world and spiritual world. Really, we all are blessed by his presence. And his book, this is very profound book, Karma, the Yogi's Guide to Creating Your Destiny. This is amazing. Karma Yoga. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna talks about Karma Yoga. Hey Arjun, you do karma. And karma is very important. Karma is action, karma is thought, karma is looking is karma, listening is karma, walking is karma. We cannot live without karma. Even we are breathing, it is a karma. Heart is beating, it is karma. Our food is digested, it is karma. But boy, Sadhguru gave such a dynamic approach to the karma. People are afraid of karma because good karma will give you good result, bad karma will give you bad result, and then all the people are thinking about virtue and vice, all these things. But remember, karma has nothing to do with what result you get. Ideally, karma yoga is a profound yoga of action. Karma is action. And whenever you are acting in this world, in your relationship is also karma. Your workplace is also karma. So whenever you are doing your karma, how you do it? Behind every karma, there is a karta. Karta means action. Karma means that particular action. And then kriya. Karma, karta, kriya. Karma, karta, kriya. So, in Gita, Lord Krishna says, Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. Hey Arjun, your job is to do your karma. You are a warrior, you fight on the battlefield. That is your karma. So we have many karmas. Teacher teaching karma, mother cooking karma, children going to the school karma. So whenever we are doing any karma, do the karma, but don't get attached to the fruit of the karma. Do karma with a clarity, with action. And that is why karma can unfold the inner glory of wisdom, inner glory of awareness, inner glory of tranquility. So, stage will come when you understand the total movement of action. While cooking, you cook, but this cooking action, when it is coming through awareness, then there is a cooking without cook, dancing without dancer, and acting without actor. Because actor is the ego, actor is achiever, actor has a desire to go somewhere and to reach somewhere and to grab some success. So, if we learn this ancient art of karma yoga, etani sarvani karmani mayi sanyastamatparaha te prapnuvanti mameva sarvabhuta hite rata. This is Bhagavad Gita. You do your karma but offer to me. Means, how we can offer our karma to God? This is very simple. While doing any action, do it with awareness. Don't judge your action. Don't criticize your action. But when you do any action without any desire of expectation, that action will do cleansing. And that's why the secret of Karma Yoga, that how can we use our duty, and while doing that duty, watch the doer. What is the thought? What is the feeling? What is the emotion behind this action? Then there is a great deal of clarity in the actor, then clarity in the action. Then you will bound to get good result. But don't expect good result or bad result. So, karmannevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. Do your action, do your karma, but don't have expectation of the good, the bad, the ugly. These are all projection of desire. So just by doing your daily duties, your responsibility, with this awareness, and there is no desire, no attachment to the fruit, then that action becomes complete action, a total action which doesn't create scar on the mind. Such action is the flight of an eagle which cannot create fingerprints in the sky. Such a glory is the glory of Karma Yoga. And Sadhguru has beautifully explained more in a practical way that how can we do this karma in order to reach that perfection of action, that perfection of life. So your life will be totally free from the clutches of karma. Karma no longer become bondage. Such a karma is called akarma. Action become inaction. Akarma means even though you are doing karma, but you are not doing karma. Because there is no desire, no expectation, no attachment. Such a karma is a spontaneous action of total awareness, and that is meditation. Then there will be the dance without dancer, singing without singer, doing without doer. Such action is meditation. Namaste.